Hey everyone, and welcome back. In this video, I am going to show you how to integrate Stripe with Shopify. To integrate Stripe with Shopify to achieve a smooth and secure online transaction process. Crucial for success in the dynamic world of e-commerce. Do you want to start a new online business, or are you looking to move your traditional business to a virtual platform? Various free and paid platforms are available to kickstart your business. Shopify, a leading multi-channel e-commerce platform, is the best option to start your online business with minimal payment. This video will guide you through the process of how to connect Stripe with Shopify, unlocking a seamless and efficient payment system for your online store. Stripe is a powerful payment engine wherein money moves in with ease. Due to the cloud-based Stripe infrastructure, which comes with scalability, reliability, and security to users, it is becoming more popular among e-commerce website development companies. This way, when you see Shopify versus Stripe payments, Stripe wins the battle. To run your online store with Shopify and make credit card transaction via Stripe, you must be looking for how to connect Stripe to Shopify. Integrate Stripe with Shopify effortlessly to enhance your online store's payment capabilities. Here are the all steps. Follow them one by one and give a kickstart to your business using Stripe. First step is to check your eligibility. The very first step of the process to integrate Stripe with Shopify is to check the eligibility. Go to your Shopify store and check if you are eligible to Shopify payment requirements. If not, reach out to the Shopify Help Center to get the issue resolved. If you're considering expanding payment options, add Stripe to Shopify. Shopify payment gateways are not available everywhere, but the list of countries supporting it is increasingly daily up. However, location is not the only restraint. It also depends on the territory where you operate. Various services and products are banned and not allowed to sell, like government services in Germany, virtual currency in Australia, etc. We recommend you look at Shopify payment terms and services before setting up a Stripe on Shopify. If you're already a Shopify user, things are straightforward, and you must follow simple steps. It will take only a few minutes. Here are the steps to follow. Log into your Shopify backend. Under Settings, select Payment Providers. Now, click on Complete your payment setup. Fill in your business details, product details, personal details, and banking information. All this information will be rechecked and approved, and then we'll be ready to start processing payments with Shopify's gateways. Point to be noted, Shopify can terminate the use of the Shopify payment gateway if there's any violation of the terms of service. The second step is to log into the Shopify account. You cannot integrate Stripe in Shopify if you are not logged in Shopify account. After you click Payment Providers, look for third-party payment providers. Do you have a Stripe gateway? If not, go back to the dashboard and click on General. Scroll down, change your country, and then click Save. Step 3. Set up the Stripe for Shopify. Go back to the payment provider where you can see the third-party provider dialog box. Then select the third-party provider option. Integrate Stripe in Shopify by choosing the provider option in the payment provider settings. Step 4. Select Stripe as your provider. To add Stripe to Shopify, now go to the third-party payment provider section. Select Stripe, the drop-down menu, and click on Stripe button to proceed. Step 5. Sign into the Stripe account. Go to the Stripe and sign in with your account and seamlessly integrate Stripe with your Shopify by adding the necessary credentials. It will take a while to fill in all the information correctly. Step 6. Activate your Stripe. click on Activate, and then you are ready to accept payments. After following these steps, we hope you know how to connect Stripe to Shopify. Now you can successfully integrate Stripe with Shopify, paving the way for secure and efficient online transactions on your e-commerce platform. Remember to periodically review and optimize your payment settings to provide the best experience for your customers. Now, here are some frequently asked questions about Stripe Payment Gateway. How long does it take to integrate Stripe in Shopify? Integrating Stripe in Shopify is a relatively quick process. From creating a Stripe account to configuring settings in Shopify, it can be done under an hour. However, additional time may be needed for testing and customization. Are there additional fees for using Stripe with Shopify? While both Stripe and Shopify have their respective fee structures, integrating them typically does not incur additional charges. It's important to review the fee details of both platforms to understand the overall cost of transactions. Is it possible to accept payments in multiple currencies by connecting Stripe to Shopify? Yes, the integration supports multiple currencies. You can configure your Shopify store to display prices in different currencies, allowing customers to make purchases in their local currency. Is it possible to disable certain payment methods within Stripe? Yes, you have the flexibility to enable or disable specific payment methods within the Stripe settings on Shopify. This gives you control over which payment options are presented to your customers during the checkout process. How often are the funds transferred to my bank account with Stripe and Shopify? Stripe provides fast payouts, and the frequency of transfers depends on your account settings. You can configure your Stripe account to transfer funds daily, weekly, or on a custom schedule, ensuring steady cash flow for your business. Integrating Stripe with Shopify might seem straightforward, but it's a pivotal step to ensuring a professional and secure shopping experience. Stripe's ever-growing reputation for security and dependability offers great peace of mind to your customers. Remember, a reliable payment system supports a strong customer relationship, and integrating Stripe with Shopify puts you on the right track. Embrace the simplicity and efficiency that Stripe brings to Shopify and watch your business thrive. Thank you guys for tuning in. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.